My name is Roger High.
My name is Joe DiPierro,
and this is a day in the life of a maintenance worker.
I just got one question though for you, Dustin. What color are real fire trucks?
Yellow and blue.
Oh my God. Night work is right around the corner, April 17th. So, we want to go out there, we want to be extremely careful. Because shift work, everybody's kind of separated. Now it's game time, this is a small crew. We want to get the work done and we want to get out there, but also we need to be safe by doing it. It's a dangerous job, let's face it, fellas. We go out and run around traffic. We don't just, sit in an office or we're not in a truck. So we always got to have our head on a swivel and keep an eye out for each other. John, do you have anything else other than?
Hey, just be safe out there.
Be extremely careful.
Safe.
I ended up getting a summer job here out of our career fair and saw a great opportunity to come back here. So I applied again and ended up here.
I was a mechanic for a local egg company in the fleet shop over in Ephrata before I came here to the Turnpike. I've been here the last 4 years. I really enjoy what I do. One of the things I like working here is that I get to do different stuff every day. It's never the same thing. You never know what you're going to get into from day to day.
This is a one-stop shop. We do it all. There's really not much we won't try or at least get done at some point. In the real world, being a truck mechanic, you would never work on a craft co-pilot like Roger is. Same thing with dump trucks. Me coming from a background of no dump trucks or anything, I was more in the automotive scene. It was pretty cool them giving me the shot and able to do it all.
My job is important, make sure all the equipment's safe in operational conditions. It's not going to break down on them so they can do their day-to-day operations.
Last thing we want is something going wrong while they're out there. So we do a lot of preventive maintenance, making sure all the vehicles are able to withstand whatever they're doing. This is a brand new truck for our foreman. We have to redo and do all new wiring for it. Like everything in your car has a fuse on it just in case for some reason something goes wrong, but it's not set up for all the things we're running. So I have to run a whole new setup. Basically this plate, this is actually an old road sign we reused to put it all new system in. So we'll run into a whole new set of switches in the cab so that you're able to do it all safely, so there's no fires or anything, just in case something does go wrong. We see the job through. Most places you might just be one step in the equation. We have to do the whole thing from start to finish. It doesn't matter what it is.
Yeah, we just don't bring it in the shop. It's a very rewarding job. Enjoy coffee with morning meetings with the guys, joke around a little bit, and then hang out in the shop till they all go out and do their job, make sure everything's working that they're taking out. I get to go home at night feeling good about what I do for the day.
Being a mechanic, honestly, great job, enjoy every minute of it. So coming work at Turnpike, I wouldn't want to work anywhere else, just for the sheer idea of the things we're able to do and the freedom we have to do how we would.